Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be fixing the hood where I'm sure y'all have seen before in the previous videos. Got this nice dent in the front and we're fixing that by making an upgrade. We got a cow hood right here that's going to replace the dented hood. First thing I want to get started with is checking the fitment of the cow hood on the truck, making sure it fits good without rubbing any of the fenders or anything like that. So obviously got the old hood off now. So now I just need to take off the hood latch, the spring, and the little engine bay light. Of course our air compressor starts going off. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the old stuff on the new hood. Give it a little test fit, and yeah, catch up with y'all then. Alright, so we got the hood test fitted. I'm sure y'all saw us jumping around and acting fools on it. The kind of, I don't know what to call this, the beak, I don't know, whatever this point is right here, it kind of got pulled up a little bit up this way, so the gap in the middle here is just higher than on the edges, and also on the fenders that kind of comes up right here. We're trying to bend all that kind of into shape. I think we got it pretty close for now. So now we're gonna pull it off. I'm gonna sand it some, and I got a rattle can where I can paint it a similar color. And this is just to get it looking better until I take it to a body shop and get the whole truck repainted. But yeah, I guess let's do that. Alright guys, so just got done sanding the hood down and wiping it down with the acetone. So now she's ready to throw some paint on there. So this is the paint that I'm going to be using on the hood, and it's not an exact match for the color code on my truck over there, but it's close and it'll be good enough. Bro, somebody already used this shit. Look at that. I ain't even opened the cap on that before. There's already color sprayed out of it. I'm back. And now I need another can. Every place I keep going to only has one can, and it's kind of frustrating because now I have to go somewhere else. Alright guys, back again. This time finally got 2 more cans of paint. They finally had more than just one. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the last coat for the night. I'm going to save the next can to get a more even coat on there tomorrow. Just pick this up tomorrow, and yeah, I'll get y'all there. Alright guys, so let it dry overnight, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but still kind of stripy. Gonna try wet sanding it and see if that fixes it, because it looks like the color's all there. It's not see-through parts. It's just uneven. Alright, so we got done sanding it. We got tiger stripes in it. Don't know if y'all can see them towards the front right there, but gonna hit it with another layer of paint and hopefully it evens it out. Set that aside. Alrighty, so this next layer of paint is done drying, but I don't know if it comes across on the camera, but there's still, yeah, y'all can see that. There's still a bunch of stripes. Now, instead of wet sanding, we're gonna try using a little bit of cutting compound, do a little test spot, see what kind it looks like. I don't know what kind it looks like. So yeah, we're gonna use some cutting compound to try and get those stripes out of there, because it's not actually stripes from it being an uneven coat. It's just kind of like, I don't know, it's different. It's like different gloss or something. So after getting done with the buffing, I do think this is a lot more consistent. Still a little streaky, but I do think I'll be able to get it better if I use a orbital polisher on there. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead, put my truck in here, and put the hood on. Change of plans, my truck won't run anymore, so I'm gonna carry the hood to the truck. Alright guys, so here I am in the middle of nowhere trying to get some cool video, and as y'all saw, we just got wrapped up putting the hood on my truck. It's looking pretty alright. As I expected, the color doesn't really match the rest of the truck, but in certain lighting it actually doesn't look half bad. It looks pretty close. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get some cool results footage for y'all, and yeah, I don't know, do something with that. I hope y'all liked the video. If y'all did, please make sure you hit the like button down below, and also subscribe if you want to see more of me fixing this truck up and trying to make it into a show truck. And let me know down below if you think my new hood is cool. Give me a little ego boost maybe, I don't know. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Looks good from 10 feet, but 10 good from feet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and come pause.